Okay, let's go with what we got so far. First off, your fishing bait project is due today. All right. Make sure, Parker. Yes, if you can get it, grab it. If you don't have it, that's okay. Um, so it's due by midnight. Make sure it's in by midnight. Um, it is super important, guys. I can't stress this enough. Use your rubric. Okay, your rubric is like a cheat sheet. You can go off and check to see how many points you have. You should know what grade you're going to get before I even get it. Because if you satisfy everything in a certain box, you know you'll get those points. So in order to get a perfect 100, do all the things in the 20-point box. Before we get rolling, does anybody have any questions about your fishing bait project? Anybody? Sorry, it's Okay, Haley. All I was doing was I was telling everybody to make sure that they check their rubric when they create their stuff. Also, one thing I want to mention to everybody, it's super important. I got some emails from some of you. That's great. It's very important that you turn your assignment in on Google Class. Okay. That way, the rubric is there for me to grade you, and that's the best. It's easier for you, and it's easier for me. So make sure that you don't just email it to me. Make sure you turn your assignment in on Google Class. And if you need help with that, stay after class, and we'll go over that together. If there's no questions about the fishing bait project, any questions? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, awesome. We're going to talk about this week's project. So, I've already told you a couple times, but to refresh your brains, every Friday when we meet, you will have a chance to present what you made this past week. We'll do that in a minute. And you're going to have a new challenge, okay? This week's challenge is to create something that can protect you from a virus. Okay? Now, this is wide open. There's not just one thing that you can do. You could make a mask. You could make like a face shield. You could make homemade hand sanitizer. I don't think you can make any gloves, but the mask, the face shield, hand sanitizer, those are good places to start. If you have other ideas, you could send them to me, and I'll let you know if it's a good idea or not. Elena, we're going to present at the end. If you don't have it, that's okay. If you do, I would like for you to present, yes. So let's check out the rubric for next week's assignment. Maybe. Let's go here. Okay. Stream. Okay, here are your instructions. We're going to check out your rubric. The only place we even really need to look is in the 20-point box, okay? Because we want to get full credit for everything. So whatever you choose to make, whether it's hand sanitizer, whether it's a face mask, a shield, whatever, you have to use at least 4 materials to get 20 points. Okay? Also, the creation was well thought out, is well designed, and would work properly to protect against a virus. The virus is also reusable. If that's true, then you get another 20 points. There's a few typos in here. I reused last week's, so it says I'm fishing. We'll disregard that. It is easy to use and can be used multiple times. If that's true, you'll get 20 points. Your report is very important, okay? This is the one that it says bait. That was a mistake, sorry. Multiple paragraphs explain in great detail the EDP, what that is, and how they use it to create their protective gear, whatever it is, okay? Not bait. We're not doing bait. So you have to write more than one paragraph. You have to talk about the engineering design process and how you use it to make your protective gear. And then finally, detailed photos showing the process of creation, the application of the invention, and the results. Any questions about any of that, guys? Any questions at all? Nope. Okay. All right. So now, if you have your bait, I would like you to present it to the class. 7th grade had quite a few people present. So if you have it, I really do want you to present. If you have it with you, say just type I do in the box or type I'll present or me, whatever you want to type in the box. Okay, all right, Tackett, you go ahead. Go first, bud.
So, can you see me?
Yep.
See it?
Yep.
What I have here is a little top water bait. We built it out of a shovel handle. What we did is we had treble hooks off of a different top water bait.
Cool.
What we did is we stapled them in there and then we put super glue on them.
That's awesome.
And then we spray painted it.
That's awesome. Have you tried it out yet?
Yes, sir. I didn't catch anything.
You didn't? Well, I really like it. I think that's a great idea. That's very good, bud. I'm proud of you. Fantastic. Good job. All right, Shelby, let's see what you got.
You see me?
Yep, I see you.
Alright, so I took some chicken liver, I mashed it up. I
Okay.
put some flour, some blood in it, and I put in pantyhose, and I went fishing with it.
Okay, did you catch anything?
I got a couple bites.
Yeah. Okay. I see you. Good job. Who's next? Who else wants to go? Kaylee Hill, how about you? You got one? Kaylee Hill. Haley Sims. Let's see what you got.
Okay. I don't know about the like I was tripping, but I got a hook, and then there's like ball and flies, and then we use like string and glitter.
Okay. All right. Cool. All right, Kaylee, you're fine. You're good. I'll see it in your report. Anybody else? What about Allie? Allie Holman. You got yours? No? Okay, that's fine. Miss Thompson, what about you? Abigail. Okay, that's okay. All right, guys. Make sure you get those reports with those pictures turned in tonight, okay? Super important. And we're going to turn it in on Google Classroom. If anybody has any questions, if you need to stick around, you can do so. I'm super, super, super proud of all you guys for logging in. Most of you are doing a great job with your assignments. I'm proud of you. I really, really do miss you guys. I wish we were back in school. Especially this 8th grade bunch. This will be the last time that I have you in class. So it's really sad to me that our semester ended like this. But we're still going to get through it, and we're going to have a little bit of fun, and we'll see each other on here a couple times a week, all right? Stay safe. Stay healthy. Don't be going out around a bunch of people. Wash your hands a lot. And have a great weekend, all right, guys? You can go ahead and log out. If you have questions, you can stick around. You can ask me. If you have questions about turning your assignments in on Google Classroom, I can help you out there too.
I still have to find the last thing for my project.
Okay, that's fine, Dakota. That's good.
I'm looking for these little yellow worms and some regular worms for the bait.
Okay, cool.
So I can finish it up.
Yeah, that's awesome. All right, Shelby. To answer your question. Okay, I believe you, Chloe. I got full faith in you. All right, Shelby. Let me pull this. Yes, Remy. What's up, bud? Remy, what's up? Hello.
Coach Robert, how do you